Hey guys, we're here at the Apple Park and we're finally going to be taking a look at the iPhone 15, 15 Pro and the Apple Watch Series 9. I'm so excited, I could blow my brains out. Guys, behind me is the Steve Jobs Theater. This is insane. I hope the camera can show what I'm looking at, but this is insane. We've got literally every YouTuber you can think of. We've got Mr. Who's the Boss over there, Super Staff over there. That's Justine right there. I've got very little time to edit this video, so no fluff. Here's everything you need to know. Devices: iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, Apple Watch Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Biggest change across all new iPhones is obviously going to be that USB Type-C. The base iPhone 15 has got to be the biggest underdog the iPhone has ever had, making it no longer feel like the weaker, younger brother. You're getting Dynamic Island on the iPhone 15 with upgraded features thanks to iOS 17. 48 megapixel sensor coming from the iPhone 14 Pro over to the baseline iPhone 15, also allowing you 2x lossless zoom. The peak display now goes up to 2000 nits, which is pretty crazy for the base model. Precision finding thanks to the U2 Ultraband chip, which allows for really millimeter accuracy when you're looking for something or someone. Lastly, you're getting the A16 Bionic chipset from the iPhone 14 Pro models as well, which means performance is going to be pretty much what you'd expect from the Pro last year generation. Honestly, this might be the first time I would actually consider getting the base model iPhone for myself. So really, you won't really feel like you're missing out when it comes to the base model over the Pro features. But speaking of missing out, here's everything you get with the Pro and the Pro Max. Starting with the Pro first, titanium baby. You're getting titanium lightweight body, which is made with an alloy, which by the way, they used on the Mars rover. That's like the most Apple thing ever. For the camera, the 48 megapixel camera is obviously still there, but it also has a super high 24 megapixel mode, allowing you better focal length options. So you can go from 24mm to 28mm to even 35mm, which are the most popular focal lengths. The silence switch has now been replaced with an action button, which basically is a shortcut button that you can press on to activate different shortcut features. A17 Pro chip. My God, this thing is powerful. It's a 3nm processor, which basically will allow you to play like console and PC level games on your phone, starting with Assassin's Creed and Resident Evil coming early next year. Maybe early next year. Is it early? It's coming soon. This combined with the Type-C gives you an output of up to 4K at 60p. Incredible for recording. You even have log footage support now. This is going to be great for filmmakers, and the transfer speeds go up to 10 gigabits per second. Remember spatial photos on the Vision Pro? Now the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models can take spatial photos, which can capture your memories in spatial format, and you can view that back on your Vision Pro. So the 15 Pro Max has all of those features, but also a 5x zoom, making it 120mm, which is the highest focal length maximum zoom you've ever gotten on an iPhone. Also, all of these new iPhones will give you the next generation of portrait mode, which basically means you don't even need to be in portrait mode to capture portrait mode data. Meaning you could take a photo in your regular mode and it recognizes through machine learning the subject, which is human or animal, and it's able to capture that data. So after the fact, you can go into your editing and decrease or increase your depth of field, giving you a portrait mode effect, and you can change the focusing range or subject after the fact. Now, the watches. The Apple Watch Series 9 is going to be coming with the S9 chip, which is obviously the most powerful chip on any of the watches. The same chip you're going to be using on the Ultra as well, and it has a battery life of up to 18 hours. One of the coolest new things is the little double tap feature that you get on it. So if you double tap, it can carry out different actions. It recognizes your double tap as an input one-handed. So if my hand's busy doing this, I can just do this to capture a photo, for example, or to start and stop a timer, answer a call, doing just that. So that makes it super easy if you want to use just one hand to carry out action and you cannot use your other hand. The max brightness on the watch now goes up to 2000 nits, which is double that of the Watch Series 8, making it the brightest we've seen. But the Ultra goes up to 3000 nits of brightness, which is just mind-blowing. So Siri is a lot smarter now on the watch, and it can carry out a lot of cool, interesting features. So you can ask it stuff like, how much did I sleep last night? Did I close my rings? Or what is my ring record, I guess? How many calories did I burn during that workout? So it'll be able to answer all of those questions for you, which is pretty convenient, I'd say. Now, all the prices for all these devices are going to be down in the description below. A lot of people were worried that they were going to hike up the price for all of this, but they didn't. Not really, actually. But for the Pro Max model, they've eliminated the 128 GB, so it does feel like it's more expensive, but that's only because it's starting from 250 gigs, which is basically exactly the same price as last year. So no price hike up. love to see them. Damn, I really hope I covered enough, but if not, don't worry. There's gonna be a full review coming out very soon as we can get our hands on this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. It was super crazy being here at the Apple Park. I literally met all my favorite YouTubers. Probably one of the coolest experiences I've ever had. Childhood dream bucket list checked off. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more content and a review of all of these devices that I just talked about. We hope to see you next time. Until then, take care.